Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient, and is priced below $115,000. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, traction control, stability control, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, driver airbag. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.